Hello guys, welcome to my channel one more time. I'm your cold welding expert George. One of my customers talked to me that if I have the magician to weld two broken copper rod into one copper rod. So I talked to him, yes, absolutely sure. But what kind of machine I will operate to weld two broken copper rods together? I introduced as the 3TR. Now I will take a demo video for you to demonstrate. Hello guys, welcome to my channel one more time. I'm your welding expert George. Today I have a magic to weld these two broken copper rod into one full copper rod. So how can I achieve this aim? I have this very important and popular welding die to help me to achieve the goal. So let me do the demo video. This is 3.00 millimeter. The diameter of this copper rod is also 3.00 millimeter. So screw this and insert your two copper wires. Another one. Okay, so use your force. Try your best to use your strength to press. You can see very strong. Weird. This is our cold welding machine, SD3TR. For more information, please contact George. Goodbye. Okay, I will explain the principle. So first, the copper rod is 3.0 millimeter diameter. So before welding the two broken copper rod, insert into the welding die. And this is after welding. So for the bigger the diameter, the more strength you need. So if you want to have more perfect effect, you need to use more strength. Okay. For more information or for more questions, please contact me, George. Goodbye.